Hey, what's the deal, y'all? So in this video, I just want to talk about why I personally feel like it's okay for you to suck. If you're creative out there, anybody who's used to creating any type of content or just creating anything from nothing, whether you do logos, pictures, videos, music, whatever it is that involves you creating something out of nothing, creators, sometimes we can be hard on ourselves. And I know that's one of the things I've definitely been struggling with lately. Anybody who knows me knows I over criticize and over judge my own work. And I just recently thought about something. The reason why I feel like it's personally okay to suck, because there is literal scientific research out there that says that humans are naturally biased towards their own work. This is a study that has actually been done, right? So we're naturally predispositioned to think that our work is good, is better than what it actually is. Like, for example, I have a cousin who does music. I have several cousins and friends who does music, but a lot of times they tend to believe that their work is better than it actually is. That's no slight to them, that's no shade to them. That's just kind of like how humans are programmed. So the reason why I say it's okay for you to suck in your own head, thinking that your own work sucks, is because a lot of times that's not really the case. Sometimes, you know, you can't really see from the outside looking in what it actually looks like or how it makes other people feel. Like every video that I've ever produced, I even have clients who are completely satisfied with the work that I give them, but every video that I produce, I absolutely hate. And I think that the advantage or disadvantage is twofold. The upside of that is, by me thinking that my own work sucks, I go a lot harder. I give it that much more I just put so much more love and energy into it because I'm trying to turn it into something I can love myself. The downside is that I'm never really satisfied. I can never be satisfied. And I understand that there's people in Hollywood who get paid to come in and tell creators when projects are done, like, hey, this is enough. So that's the up and the downside of that. But I personally feel like when it comes to your own work, it's totally okay to think that it sucks. This is just a way of thinking. And this is ultimately gonna make your product or your output or your creative so much more better, in my own opinion. Now that might sound weird, but just think about it for a second. If we're naturally programmed to think that our shit is the shit, but we're wrong about that, how many situations have you been in where somebody is trying to show you something they created and it's terrible and you just can't tell them, man, this is trash, I'm so sorry, sweetheart, this is it's ugly, I'm sorry. You know, it's tough to do that, you know what I'm saying? So if you are like me and you're struggling with the same thing and you think your creative work is not good enough or your output is just terrible, it's okay. I'm letting you know to just relax, calm down, because the final decision is not up to you. The final decision is always up to the end consumer, the person who consumes it last and decides whether or not it's trash or if they will pass or if they will smash. Anyway, you get what I'm saying though, man. So let's stop beating ourselves up so much. Let's ask for more feedback from other people, even though I often preach on this channel just to stop giving a fuck about what other people think. At the end of the day, if you're working for somebody or you're creating work for someone else, then it's their final decision at the end of the day, right? So for me, it personally works, and I recommend anybody out there who are like my cousins or like I used to be, you know, thinking that what they do or what they have or what they're putting out is the shit, look at it a different way. You might make that product that much better by looking at it like it's just not quite good enough. But that's been something that's just been on my mind lately, so I want to make sure I got that point across. I don't think we'll ever really know. I think we'll never really know what our own work looks like. You know, for instance, my little brother, he likes to edit videos now. You know, he see me editing, now he's editing videos, and one of the things I notice is once he gets done, he watches his own videos over and over and over and over again. There's nothing wrong with that. I do it sometimes, I think we all do it, right? But the thing about that is, if we ultimately want to get more efficient with our work, we have to create, distribute, and forget. Once it's out, we gotta let it go because it's gone. It's out there in cyberspace and it's never coming back. So now your job as the creator is to continue to create, right? So if you're a creator also, comment down in the comment section, man, and let me know what your struggles are. Let me know if I make sense when I say you should automatically think that your shit is trash because it's gonna make you go that much harder. Let me know if you agree when I say it's okay to suck. But other than that, that's it for this one, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.